Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 33 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the last of the V8 interceptors from the madmax franchise, brought to us by our good old mates over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these and build along with me this iconic 1/8 scale model, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have one of these on your bench, folks. Yes. So let's have a scoot through this week's magazine. We're going to be doing a rear leaf spring, folks. And this is where it's going on our Falcons today. Okay, so you're going to need the chassis section from previous issues. Shows you how it goes into place there. We got our little mounting brackets there going into place on the chassis, lowering the leaf spring in place, remembering the correct orientation. We'll go through that in a minute. And then using our pliers to squeeze this pin into place to retain it in situ. Okay, and then this is what we're going to end up with at the very end there. Chassis with a pair of leaf springs on. Got our rear mounting plate ready for the other rear shock absorber. So that's where we're going to be. And then we got Martin Sheen there, the California kid from 1974, folks. 1974. I didn't realise that film was that old. And then showing us what we're going to have in the next issue, which is the next stage of the rear wheel, folks. Okay, so let's put the magazine to one side. We'll grab our parts and we'll bring them to the bench and get them fitted for you. Okay, so let's first of all grab our PS05 screw. We'll get a bit of oil on that in anticipation. We'll grab our little mounting plate, which is just there. We'll grab our pair of pins and put them to one side. And then we can bring our chassis section in situ. Okay, so that's what we got from the previous issue, peeps. And we're going to be mounting this just inside there. You've got a little tiny pin on the edge there. See it? And that's going to go in that little hole over there. So it can only go on the one way. And then whilst holding that in place with your finger, we'll then put the screw in that retains it in place, okay? Just like so. That's simple. And now we can lay our leaf spring across. Now you want the longer side of the leaf spring towards the rear, okay? You'll notice this as soon as you lay it in place because it'll only go the one way, okay? So we'll just move that plate out of the way, get the chassis in shot so you can see what I'm up to. And we are going in here first of all, folks, okay? So let's just slide that pin in and engage it with the other side. And then we'll get our pliers of squeeziness. Pop that in situ, just like so. So that's that one done. We can now bring round the rear section. Try and get this in shot for you so you can see what I'm doing. And we are going in the hole at the back there. Fourth one down. Line that up. Like so. Grab me pliers and then we can squeeze that in just like so. Okay, so that's that done. And then I just want to push the end of it slightly in with the screwdriver. So that's that in situ now, folks. We can now look at getting our mounting plate in place. Straight on the two pegs there, one there, like so. And then that will be held in place with a pair of DS6 screws. So we'll get the first one and pop a bit of oil on her. And we'll go in with our diagonals. One there. And then grab the second one. Little bit of oil. And then drop that in place just in there. Just like that. And already that's that suspension looking rather sexy now. So that's both leaf springs done now. And then we're going to be building up the rear on that side over the next couple of issues, folks, okay? So that's where we are today. We got our rear axle assembly with both leaf springs, etc. in place. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this iconic Ford Falcon XB GT. Also, to help me out and to help me grow my channel, give Little Fester a click and subscribe to the channel. It's free. Whilst you're there, ring the bell and select all. That way you'll get notified of all future content and video uploads. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. See you on the next one, folks.